BIAB is a wonderful, versatile product, but it might not be an essential addition to your salon. You could only offer it to clients who really need extra strength or have it for doing the occasional extension if you don't have other systems, like hard gel or acrylic. Or you might want BIAB manicures to become your signature service, as it differentiates you from your competitors.
Personally, I think it fills a gap. I use it regularly on clients whose nails break with gel polish alone, but for whom dip is too brittle or too expensive. I charge more to remove and reapply dip than to backfill BIABs, but who don't need the strength levels of hard gel and acrylic. Around half my gel polish clients wear BIAB components too.
To help you make an informed choice about whether BIAB is a suitable option for your clients and your business, you should consider the needs of your clients, what services are currently popular, and whether you get many requests for particular services or types of nails. Will adding BIAB overlays and extensions give you a competitive edge? What services do you enjoy doing, and what would be your ideal bread and butter service? Would you rather offer less variety and one or two services done exceptionally well? Here are some considerations for BIAB specifically. The pros. One of the pros of BIAB is it has exceptional adhesion and strength. It provides the best of both worlds, or ends of the A to B scale, as a versatile, durable service. It is well suited to even problematic clients, such as those who are always getting lifting, for example hairdressers, or your heavy-handed clients like cleaners or teachers. Another pro is that it's a long-wearing service with approximately 3 weeks wear time. Builder Gel creates a robust nail that is more durable than a regular gel polish manicure. BIAB also promotes natural nail growth. It supports natural nails, allowing them to grow long while protecting them from external damage and reducing breakages. Please note, BIAB protects the natural nail but doesn't make the nail itself grow faster. It may be a substitute for extension services if clients are willing to wait for their nails to grow. I have a lot of clients turn up for their first appointments whose natural nails are only slightly shorter than the extension length they are asking for, and after their consult, many choose to go with a BIAB service instead of acrylics and just wait a few weeks to reach the ideal length. BIAB provides efficient overlay services. The self-leveling properties make it a relatively easy product to apply with little to no refining needed, unlike acrylic or a hard gel overlay. The soft gel formula can be filed easily to reduce bulk if needed too. BIAB only requires an easy soak-off removal and soaks off relatively quickly due to the nature of soft gels. Another major pro is that it can be backfilled, unlike gel polish or dip services. A backfillable overlay is beneficial as it allows clients to wear a substantial amount of product without adding the added time of complete removal at every appointment. BIAB has buildable strength and structure. As a builder gel, the structure and thickness of a BIAB overlay can be adjusted to clients' individual needs or changing needs as their nails grow. It feels lightweight and natural to wear due to the flexibility a soft gel provides. This is suitable for clients who dislike rigid, thick nails that feel overly artificial, such as SNS or acrylic. BIAB adds value to your gel polish manicure service. The increased value should increase the service price and your income potential. Gel polish is typically a very popular service. By increasing the price of your popular service, you're increasing your revenue very efficiently. Adding a BIAB option means around half of my would-be 55 gel polish clients now regularly spend $70. This is not seen as an extra expense because with BIAB, those same clients are now often able to go longer between appointments and therefore averages out their expense. I make more money in a shorter period of time, which is a win-win. You also get a competitive edge. Many salons don't offer BIAB, which differentiates you from competitors and makes your services more exclusive. Clients are often impressed by this new, amazing product, and if they do know what BIAB is, they might seek out salons specifically for BIAB services. This happens to me all the time.
This is how I ended up adding BIABs to my price list. I had a client who wouldn't stop talking about the BIAB service their friend was getting elsewhere and didn't realize that I offered it too, since I only offered it through consultations with applicable clients. She was a long-standing, loyal client, but by promoting BIABs, her friend ended up coming to me too when her previous salon closed.
One more major bonus is that BIAB frequently exceeds clients' expectations of natural nail manicures. Gel polish manicures are popular and familiar to clients. By adding BIAB, you're giving them what they know and love, plus all of the above benefits. BIAB also solves some of the cons of regular gel polish manicures, for example, chipping, natural nails breaking, and lack of strength to support natural nail growth. Exceeding expectations adds value to your service that you can't quite put a price on. It encourages rebooking, great word of mouth, and positive reviews. There are so many pros to BIAB, but there are a few cons. For example, BIAB is not suitable for long extensions, and it should not be your go-to for extensions at all. We will teach nail extension services in this module, but recommend using them to extend a singular broken nail on the rare occasion. BIAB has an increased removal time and requires more thinning out than a standard gel manicure before soaking off for removal. It has an increased surface time compared to gel polish, as you're applying more product and might need to refine the BIAB before applying gel polish. Now is a good time to note too that we recommend using complete systems from start to finish. That means all products from one brand. Please avoid mixing product lines just to get gels with different properties.